In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Monday.com for legal case management. If you've been searching for an easy way to track your cases, deadlines, and tasks within a single platform, then stick around until the end to find out how you can get the most out of Monday.com, plus some amazing alternatives that might even be better for legal case management. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do when setting up Monday.com for legal case management is create a board. You'll want to set up a new board specifically dedicated to your cases. You can do this by selecting the Create New Board option. From here, you'll want to label your board in a way that clearly identifies it as your legal case management hub. Something like Case Tracker or Legal Cases should work. Next thing, customize your columns to track important information. In a legal case, you'll need to track the case name, the involved parties, deadlines, current status, and the responsible person. Monday.com allows you to add columns that fit these needs, whether that's a text column for case names or a status column to track whether the case is in progress, awaiting review, or closed. Make sure you customize your columns so that you have full visibility into your case workflow. The third thing, automations. Monday.com offers automation features that can help streamline your legal case management. For instance, you can set up automations that send reminders when deadlines are approaching or when a case status changes. This will keep your team in sync and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next thing, use views to get a quick overview. You can create multiple views to focus on different aspects of your legal cases. The Kanban view is great for visualizing the progress of cases, while the calendar view is perfect for keeping track of important dates like court dates, filing deadlines, and meetings. Setting up different views will allow you to focus on what's most important at any given moment. The fifth thing, collaboration. Monday.com offers a range of collaboration tools that can be incredibly useful for legal teams. You can add comments directly to each case, mention colleagues, and even attach relevant documents, so everyone has the information they need in one place. This can help prevent confusion, miss deadlines, and ensure everything stays organized. Now, let's talk about the final thing, reporting. One of the best ways to track your performance over time is by using Monday.com's reporting feature. You can generate reports that show how many cases are in each status, how much time is spent on each case, and more. This is perfect for getting an overview of your caseload and performance. So, is Monday.com right for your legal case management needs? While it's a powerful tool, it might not be the best fit for every legal team. Monday.com is great for task tracking and team collaboration, but it may lack some of the advanced legal-specific features that other tools offer. If you're a legal firm looking for a tool with more case management-specific features, you might want to explore some other alternatives that are designed specifically for legal work. At the end of the day, we've included some amazing alternatives in the description below. We've also secured an exclusive extended free trial for Monday.com so you can test it out for yourself. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link for more details and some top-notch alternatives for managing your legal cases more efficiently.